Today is the 18th of October, about 10:10. Yesterday, this faucet broke and the water flowed out of here, down here, into the cabinet and out from the cabinet into the floor outside. That was on the 17th of October at about 10:15 a.m., approximately the same time. And here it flowed out of here. This has all been emptied since. And the maintenance people did come up there. Of course, they left a bit of a mess. And then they sucked up the water, but they, as you can see, they didn't do a very good job. And they couldn't speak English. That was the problem. I tried to explain to them. They had to help me with the kitchen, because that's where it all started. And I had to write numerous letters because the guy on the PBX doesn't take my calls. He lets it ring and ring and ring. So you can see and why is this a problem for me? I have had bad doses of cellulitis, and right now I'm being treated for cellulitis type bacteria. And so if I tread on this stuff, it make me very ill. And so no one has arrived this morning. And these guys couldn't speak English, as I said. I don't care what language people are and where they're from. But if they can't speak the language that I wrote my lease in, which was English, then at least bring an interpreter up. Thank you for watching.